Hamilton Health Sciences is a large hospital system in Southern Ontario with around 15,000 employees, and it services around 300,000 people on a yearly basis. Hamilton Health Sciences is committed to being a leader with regards to the environment. We're committed to meet provincial and federal guidelines for carbon reduction. With our project that we have taken on here and we've completed, we have reduced our carbon footprint by 50%, which meets provincial and federal guidelines.
Our original units basically wore out. They were running 24/7. Because the economics were still good to be co-generating, we looked into replacing the units with something more reliable and more modern. It was just a great opportunity to save some money for the hospital so they can spend more money on healthcare rather than on infrastructure. We have 6 G3516H units at this location. We have another 7 located at 2 other locations for a total of 13. So we chose Toromont and the CAT product for a number of reasons. One of them is its efficiency. It was a proven product that had been around for years and continuously upgraded and improved. We wanted something that we knew had good product support and that had a excellent track record. This particular site used to be the 63rd largest emitter of carbon in the province on it. Now our carbon emissions have been lowered by over 30,000 tons annually. Instead of running continually, we're coordinating our generation with the ISO so that we're only operating during peak periods. So rather than them having to run a gas peaking plant, we can turn around and generate 26 megawatts of electricity much more efficiently, and at the same time we're utilizing that waste heat again to do our cooling in the summertime. We've been able to capture all of the peaks to date. Great experience thus far.
It gives us a wide flexibility on how we run the plant that allows us to kind of run in the most efficient way we can.
Our energy transition is driving the demand for electricity that we've not seen perhaps ever, and we recognize that resiliency is important for the healthcare sector and our customers, and our focus in what we're offering, both in the equipment and our long-term services once the equipment is operational, is what we've designed our business around. Toromont has extensive experience in combined heat and power. We have a significant in-house engineering group that's competent to design these combined heat and power systems that goes far beyond the generator set itself, but also a long-term product support team is key to what our focus is and been a driver for our success.
These engines have been a vast improvement over the previous ones that we had, and we're looking forward to using them for many years to come.